Hey, greetings everybody. Brian Deckard here from Deckard and Company coming to you live on this Monday. Yeah, every Monday we go live with Monday Marketing with Brian. So Deckard and Company, we are a boutique marketing agency just south of Tampa on the beautiful Gulf Coast in the city of Bradenton, Florida. Yes. And we provide all kinds of services like website design, website development, social media management and marketing. We also do videography. Yeah. So we do all kinds of brilliant services that you as a small business or a nonprofit organization would definitely benefit from. Okay. So today's topic that we're going to cover, because every Monday we cover something different and all that good stuff. But before we go over that, I want to make sure that we do this right here. Yep, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, like all of our videos and hit that little notification bell so that you're notified when we post new content to our channel. Hey, help a small business out. Why not? It doesn't cost you anything, and you just might get something cool out of these little live streams that we do every Monday. Now, going into next month, the new year, we're going to start going live also every Wednesday. So Mondays and Wednesdays. And Wednesdays are going to be dedicated to building a website. Yeah. So we're going to start from the very beginning. Basically, let's do this right here. So today's topic right here. So, hello, Astra, Kadence, the ultimate WordPress theme showdown. What am I even talking about? Okay, so like I mentioned, next month we're going to start building a website from start to finish, right? And one of the first things you're going to do, of course, after you set up WordPress and install WordPress on whatever hosting provider you want to use, you're going to install a theme. Yes. So that's where this is coming in. So we're going to install a theme. And my three go-to themes are the Hello theme, the Astra theme, and the Kadence theme. Now, out of these three, Hello is my all-time favorite. And it's really, honestly, my number one go-to. And we're going to talk about all those lovely things today and what the difference between each one of these themes are. Now, are there more themes out there that you can choose from? Oh, you darn tootin', there is. Thousands of them, to be quite honest with you. And what comes with some of these themes, which actually all three of these that we're going to talk about, if you're just getting started, you can install this theme, but then you can also install one of their starter templates to basically create a website, a full website. And then you can go through and put your information in there. Yeah, it's pretty cool stuff. Okay, so right now, let's get into the three themes that I like. Like I said, everything that we go over here is my opinion. You might have a different opinion on all three of these. You might have a different theme that is your go-to. And hey, that's okay. That's all right. These are my three. You might have three different ones. So let's get into them right now. Okay, the first one we're going to talk about is the Hello theme. And let me go here. Okay. Oh, sorry. That's the last one. Here we go. There we go. All right. So the first one we're going to talk about here is the Elementor Hello theme. Now, what I like about this theme when we get into this thing is right here. Okay, so it was developed by the creators of the Elementor page builder. It's very popular. And it's very lightweight. So we're looking at, a really good loading speed, and the flexibility of the Hello theme is really pretty awesome, in my opinion. what I love about it is it says right here, it's essentially a blank canvas. So when you load this thing in, it's just like a white sheet of paper. It's blank. And because of that, it really brings out Elementor and allows the Elementor page builder to shine. So what I love about Elementor is that it's fast. The Elementor, it's incredibly lightweight. They've made a lot of really good strides in that department on making it super fast. So those super fast loading times. So that's really crucial when it comes to your user experience and even, those, not that it's really graded that heavily like we thought. But it does help in the whole, SEO and what we call it OVO here at Deckard and Company. But then the next thing would be the ultimate customization. With Hello, you have complete control over your design. Pairing it with Elementor, the free or the pro, which of course we recommend the pro because there's just so many more features. You can basically build any layout imaginable. And then, of course, the clean code. This theme boasts clean and well-organized code, making it easy for developers to customize it even further. So who is this theme perfect for? It's users who want complete design freedom and prioritize website speed, and then you pair that with the Elementor page builder. It's just downright freaking awesome. Yeah, just downright awesome. So if we look here on Elementor's website, looking at their specific theme here, so the Hello theme, I love how Elementor puts this page together because it really lets you look at what their page builder and what their theme can accomplish. This right here, I mean, it's so Elementor with the Elementor Hello theme. It's amazing to work with. Amazing to work with. As we scroll down, you can see here the total design freedom. It's free and, or it's light and lean and light and all this good stuff. But as we scroll down, here's what we were talking about, this kit library. So it's full of pre-made containers and stuff that you can pull over onto your blank canvas if you're having, some kind of a design block, you just, nothing's coming to mind. You can look through all of their pre-made designs and easily drag it over, drop it onto your canvas and design away, fine tune that sucker that's going to best portray you and your business or your organization, the colors, fonts, all that stuff. It's really, really nice, and here's another thing with Hello. Like I said, it's a blank canvas. You're going to create your header. You're going to create your footer. You can create your blog archive page, your 404 pages, your blog post pages. So those single page posts and stuff like that. I mean, it's amazing at what you can do with the Hello theme with Elementor. Now, does the Hello theme work with other page builders? Yes, but you will have to make a few tweaks here and there. But I mean, it will work. Would I recommend it? I mean, sure, I guess if you're that person. But there are other themes out there that would probably work better with another page builder that you're using, whether it be like maybe Divi Builder or, oh gosh, there's so many, Beaver Builder, yeah, Thrive Themes, so Thrive Architect. I mean, there's so many other page builders out there that a theme might be more catered to them, and they would let you know which one that would be. All right, so the next theme that we're going to talk about is going to be the Astra theme. Now, this is probably my number 2, when it comes to these 3. So Elementor is my number 1, the Hello theme, and then Astra is going to be my number 2. And this is why right here. Okay, so the Astra is the lightweight speed champion. Yeah, so Astra is another incredibly popular theme, known for its speed and customizability. Um, it's packed with features, and it does work with Elementor, Beaver Builder, Gutenberg, all those popular page builders out there. Um, Now, the Astra theme, here's why I love the Astra theme. It's feather light, like it says right here. It's incredibly lightweight, ensuring your website will load quickly and efficiently. We're looking out for those visitors, right? That visitor UI, that needs to be primo. And then it comes with starter templates. So you can jumpstart your design with Astra's extensive library of those pre-built website templates. So just like Elementor, this has where you can simply look through their vast library of these website templates, click a button, it will load these pages in, and then all you got to do is go through each page and fine tune it to your desire. And then the customization options, there's so many customization options allowing you to tailor your website to your exact needs. Okay, so who is Astra perfect for? So Astra really is perfect for beginners all the way up to your experienced users, who want that fast and customizable theme with plenty of pre-built options. So that's why it is very good for a beginner, because it really does have some, and they're pretty nice templates, So don't go down the Wix, Weebly, GoDaddy, Squarespace. Don't go down those crazy paths, because once you go down those paths, you are stuck with them. And you're stuck because you can't migrate your website to another host. So go with WordPress, choose Astra, and you've got plenty of templates to choose from. And then you can fine tune those suckers. You can bend it to your will, basically. Yeah. So WordPress, stick with WordPress. That is the way to go. Okay. So let's take a look at Astra's website here. So this right here, and you can see here, Astra plays very well with Elementor. So Elementor, Elementor, however you to pronounce it, this is it. So Astra here, as you can see, as we scroll down, we've got, the widgets and extensions, all the same stuff that Hello has, they've got it here. So, and the best part of it, like I said, it works great with Elementor, but it also works for those other page builders. Whether you want to go down the Divi, the Divi builder, that's another okay one. It's not my favorite, but it is a popular one out there. You've got Gutenberg. Ooh, yeah, it's there, and this is compatible with it. But you also got Beaver Builder, which is another very popular page builder. Astra just works with it as well. So yeah, so as we scroll down here, you can see here, they've got plenty of pre-made templates, and a template is different than a theme. So just remember that. And maybe if you have any questions about what the difference is, let me know and I can go into that. But you can see here, you can choose, from any of these things, right? And it'll instantly create a little website for you, and you just go in there and change your data, images, content, copy, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty awesome. It is pretty awesome. Yep. So you can see here, it's very customizable. So you can do those full width layouts, the box layout. I mean, you can do so many different things with this, and it's lightweight, right? You can also disable stuff. You can do global options. So think of the global options as like your CSS for your website. So you're going to set your color palette, your fonts, all that stuff. You can set that, and it's globally, which is so global CSS, which is pretty awesome. Yeah, I mean, and WooCommerce integration. So you want your, you install Word, you want a shopping cart, right? You want that store, that online store. Well, you go with WooCommerce, which is, the biggest one that you can get for WordPress is a plugin. And this right here, you can style that sucker. Yeah, right. So with using Astra and then using, let's say, Elementor or one of these other page builders, you can make that shopping experience exactly the way that you want it and that your visitors or those potential buyers are kind of expecting. So it's really kind of a cool theme, and it just works. Yeah. So you have header and footer options as well. So it really does do a very good job. And what I like here is you see here lightweight and bloat free. That's right. Keeping this sucker nice and fast. So yeah. All right. So there's that, right? Okay. So now that we're steamrolling into this, one more time, please help a small business out. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. It's free, doesn't cost anything, helps a small business out. Like our videos and that little notification bell. Click it to all so that you get all of the excellent content that we upload to YouTube or our live streams. Yeah, very good stuff. Okay, so the last theme that we're going to talk about today is the Kadence theme. Now, I've got a couple of reasons why I like this one. One thing is that they're out of Montana. Yes, Montana, USA, baby. Yeah. So I've built numerous websites using this Kadence theme, and I never really had a bad experience with it. So it just works. So let's take a look at it right here. All right. So Kadence is that performance-driven theme, right? And they're they're relatively a newcomer. But they're definitely gaining the reputation, and it's all about the performance, accessibility, and ease of use, which is really what you're looking for in anything WordPress. Ease of use. So here's the reasons why I love the Kadence theme. So the performance focus. So Kadence is built with performance in mind. It's ensuring that website loads quickly and runs smoothly. Yeah, that's key. Okay, now we're going to look at the accessibility. So it's accessibility ready, meaning the theme is designed with accessibility in mind, making your website usable for anyone. And then it's got a header and footer builder. So it includes that header and footer builder, allowing you to create custom designs without any coding, which is pretty good. So who is the Kadence theme perfect for? Users who prioritize performance, accessibility, and ease of use. Excellent for those who want advanced customization options without writing any code. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. So most people that go into WordPress, that's a small bit and they're trying to do something on their own, they're not going to have those coding skills. So you want to find ways that you can build a website that's going to look good, that's going to work for you, it's going to work for you on those search engines. So WordPress. WordPress is the way to go. And then, you throw that page builder like Elementor, Divi, Beaver Builder, Thrive, whatever you're going to use. There's so many of them out there. You can build these websites without writing any code. Now, if you know code, you can really do some good stuff. But most people do not know code, but they're still going to be able to create a visually appealing website that's easily navigatable, and it's just going to work for you. So you can do that with all these things that we've talked about. So let's go over and take a look at the Kadence website. So Kadence WP. So you can see here that effortlessly build fast and beautiful websites in minutes. So that they've got the demo sites that you can quickly load in, just like all the others. I mean, it's just, it integrates. Here's with everything that it integrates with. So you can see Elementor, Gutenberg, Beaver Builder. It's also with LearnDash, WooCommerce, Lifter, Tutor. So LearnDash and Tutor and Lifter are all learning management systems. So if you want to teach courses and stuff online, this is another theme that just works with the most popular LMSs out there. So it just works, right? So here it is, they, on their website. I like the way their website's laid out because you can kind of see how things work, so you're going to choose a starting point. You're going to choose your colors. So this is that global CSS settings that you're setting within the theme, which is pretty cool. You're going to choose your fonts. Then you're going to go to your header and you're going to get that all set up, your typography. You're going to set your layouts, your colors and buttons. So you can see it's amazing at what this theme will do. And really, all the themes are going to do basically the same stuff. So just keep that in mind. And with WordPress, you need to start off with a theme, right? Yeah, everybody needs a theme. So, and that's how you're going to get your WordPress website started. So there you go. So I think that's pretty good for today. We've gone over the Hello theme from Elementor. We've gone over the Astra theme, and we've also gone over the Kadence theme. So all three of these themes are kind of my go-tos. I really honestly don't use any other. And out of these three, Hello is by far the one that I use the most. So, hey, I hope this video helps you in your quest to get online. That's my goal, is to make sure that you as a small business or an organization or a professional speaker, coach, trainer, what have you, is to make sure, to get you online, get you into that digital world so that people can find you and your services, what you have to offer. And what better way to do that than with a website? Website's crucial. And anybody that tells you that you don't need a website, you should probably run away from that ding dong, because they have no idea what they're talking about. In today's world, you need a website. You need social presence, whether you're going to like that or not. You need these things to be successful in your endeavor, whatever that endeavor may be. All right. Hey, thank you so very much for joining me today. If you're live, if you're catching this on a recording, thank you for watching that as well. And don't forget to subscribe, like our videos, and hit that little notification bell to all, so that you're kept up to date when we post cool stuff. Hey, thank you again. Do have a beautiful rest of your day, and do behave. Thanks. Bye.